When DJI released the Osmo Pocket 3, it quickly became a hit among vloggers, travelers, and content creators who needed a compact, high-quality camera. With its large 1-inch sensor, excellent stabilization, and bright flip-out screen, it packed serious power into a pocket-friendly device. Now, as rumors circulate about the upcoming Osmo Pocket 4, many are curious about what improvements DJI might bring to the table. Although it hasn't been officially announced, the rumored upgrade suggests some exciting changes. Let's explore what might be coming and how it could improve on the Pocket 3 in areas like sensor performance, video quality, stabilization, smart features, and more. The Pocket 3 marked a big leap forward with its 1-inch CMOS sensor, delivering excellent low-light performance, natural background blur, and sharp image quality. The next version is expected to keep the same sensor but with a more powerful processor. That boost in processing power could bring better dynamic range, faster image capture, and advanced features like improved HDR and computational photography. A standout upgrade that's been speculated is the addition of 10-bit color recording in D-Log-M and HDR modes. This would be a big jump from the current 8-bit recording, providing smoother color transitions, more precise tones, and reducing banding in challenging lighting situations, giving creators much more flexibility when color grading. The Pocket 3 already delivers solid video specs, offering 4000 at 60 frames per second and Full HD slow motion at 240 fps, plus multiple aspect ratios like 16:9, 1:1, and vertical 9:16. But the Pocket 4 might push this further, possibly supporting 4000 at 120 fps, ideal for cinematic slow motion shots without losing resolution. Combined with the rumored improvements in dynamic range and color depth, this could elevate the camera's ability to preserve details in highlights and shadows. Video bit rate is another area where improvements may happen. The current 130 Mbps limit could be raised, allowing for cleaner, more detailed footage with less compression, especially useful for scenes with a lot of motion or fine textures. When it comes to stabilization, DJI's gimbal system is already among the best for small cameras, and the Pocket 3 delivers smooth footage even when walking. Still, the Pocket 4 may take this further by improving Z-axis stabilization, which would help smooth out vertical movement during handheld shooting. This would be especially valuable for vloggers or action-packed filming environments. We might also see updates to the gimbal's responsiveness, allowing for more precise and cinematic camera movements and better subject tracking. Autofocus on the Pocket 3 is already quite good, but rumors suggest the Pocket 4 could add phase detection autofocus PDF and eye tracking, making it easier to keep subjects sharp, particularly useful for solo creators who need the camera to stay locked on their face as they move. Enhanced eye tracking could improve the camera's ability to follow fast-moving or multiple subjects and improve features like time-lapse and hyperlapse by making them more customizable and intelligent. On the audio side, the current 3 microphone setup works surprisingly well, but the next generation may introduce better wind noise reduction, improved audio processing, and possibly features like audio zoom or spatial audio to better capture immersive sound. As for the display, the Pocket 3 has a bright and colorful 2-inch rotating touchscreen, which works well even outdoors. While no major redesign is expected, improvements in screen brightness, touch sensitivity, or interface responsiveness could make it even better. Some speculate about a slightly larger screen or a high brightness mode for sunny conditions. In terms of physical design, the Pocket 3 is compact and lightweight, and the Pocket 4 will likely keep a similar form factor. However, small refinements could improve grip and comfort. A practical improvement many users have requested is a built-in 1/4-inch 20-screw mount, which would remove the need for separate mounting accessories, a simple but meaningful change. Another feature many are hoping for is weather resistance. While the Pocket 3 has no official water or dust protection, the new version may offer basic splash or dust resistance, giving users more confidence to shoot outdoors or in unpredictable conditions. Battery life on the current model offers up to around 166 minutes of recording at lower settings, with quick charging reaching 80% in just 16 minutes. The upcoming model could offer better efficiency or a slightly larger battery, making it possible to shoot longer even in high-resolution modes. Storage will likely remain micros-based, with support for up to 1 TB cards, but there may be support for faster cards or improved file management. There's also talk of new magnetic lens attachments, such as ND filters, wide-angle, or macro lenses, which would add even more creative flexibility. Overall, the DJI Pocket 4 looks set to push boundaries even further, with features like 10-bit color, 4000 at higher frame rates, PDF and eye tracking autofocus, better stabilization, and perhaps even weather protection. It's clear DJI has been listening to user feedback, and while we'll need to wait for the official announcement, this camera could be a major upgrade for anyone wanting professional-looking video in a compact, creator-friendly package.